Alright, so this is 11954 70th, and this is post jetting. Nice and round and beautiful. We pulled a whole lot of debris out. A lot of it looks like the coffee grinds we were talking about. This has been opened up a lot more here, and I want to check this combo coming up too, because this was in pretty rough shape. Oh yeah, that's way better. Beautiful. This is going to run probably right up to a stack. Actually, bottom of a toilet. So, toilet right there. Probably another toilet coming in right here from the left. Sink or tub or shower from the right. That's probably the kitchen coming from the right. Nope, that's our kitchen coming from the right there. Perfect. We're going to go and run some water in the house to check flow, and we should be good to go. Dude, the pipe looks awesome, man. Yeah. I'm going to have them flush and check the flow. We should be good. Here it comes. Beautiful. LSU. Couple little chunks coming with the toilet flushes, but the flow looks freaking awesome. It's just racing past the clean out. Everything looked good.